Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the best kitchen where so heavenly recipes are made. Thanks for stopping by. Today, I'm going to share with you how to make waakye in 5 different ways, and they are all delicious. You will love them. I love the recipes, so please stay tuned till the end and be inspired. Don't forget to also like, share, comment on the video. And if it's your first time here, please do me a favor by subscribing to this family, and I'm so sure you will love it here. Don't forget to also recommend this channel to friends and families who may like my recipes. All right, without further ado, family, let's begin. Yeah, my first ingredient is black eyed beans, which I'm going to wash nicely under running water, okay? And after that, you can just leave it to soak for about an hour or two or even overnight to reduce cooking hours, okay? But I'm doing mine straight away. So now I'm going to share all the beans among 5 saucepans, but I'll first do with only four first, and then the fifth one will continue after the four are already done. I hope it's clear. So family, please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video. Stay tuned till the end and be inspired. So now I'm going to just add some shrimp tablet to all of the beans, okay? Just like so. Just add any seasonings of your choice, but I prefer the shrimp tablet, okay? So share among all the four saucepans. So this first beans, I'm adding my sorghum leaves, and now let's see so soon the sorghum leaves are already being infused into the water. Look at that. Now I'll leave it to cook some more. Next, let's add our Kawu to the next beans. Make sure to soak the Kawu for all the sandy particles to settle under the water, and then pour the fine water in the beans just like so, okay? After that, you start to mix just like so. To the next beans, I'm adding dark soy sauce, just like so, and I'll start to mix everything together nicely. Look at that. Again, next I'll add baking soda to the next beans. That's the fourth saucepan, and I'll mix everything together nicely. Now let's check on our beans, and the beans is about 70% cooked. So at this point, the next step is to add our rice to all of the beans, okay? So keep watching family and go nowhere. I'm using white rice. You can as well use brown rice, okay? Family, please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video, okay? I'm going to wash the rice thoroughly under running water until the water runs clear, right? So I'm back and I'm adding the rice to the saucepans just like so. You share the rice among all the four saucepans. Yeah, beautiful. The rice and beans smell so nice. Now you start to mix everything together until well combined. Wow, smells amazing. Keep watching family and go nowhere. I'm so sure you'll be inspired. Yeah. After mixing everything together to combine nicely, the next step is to add water to your desired level. I'm going to add just a little amount of water to each of the saucepan because I do not want to cook a very soft rice, okay? So just add the water according to how soft or how hard you want your rice to be, or how in between you want the texture of the rice to be, okay? So now let's check on our sorghum leaves, and so far it has really been infused into our beans. I'm adding salt to each of the saucepans, okay? And after adding the salt, you make sure to stir to mix everything properly until the salt is well dissolved in the rice and beans, okay? Wow, the aroma is so subtle and I love it. So beautiful. Family, next, I'm going to remove the sorghum leaves from the beans and now add the rice, okay? Wow, it has really infused itself in the beans. I love it. Now start to mix everything together nicely, and just like the other three, you add your salt. Again, you mix together until the salt is well dissolved in the rice and beans. I love the color. Next, I'm going to cover them up just like so for all the water to dry out. And now look at that. I love how single grain the rice is. This is so beautiful. It's my type of waakye. Not too soft and not too hard. Now for fresh flavor, I'm going ahead to add onions to the waakye. And for more flavor, I'm going to add butter to all of the four saucepans. Okay? And I'll stir to mix everything together nicely. And this is a beautiful way to complete your perfect waakye. I love this recipe. You can even use coconut oil or any other flavorful oil, but I prefer butter. Okay? You will love this. If it's your first time on the channel, hey, you are warmly welcome. Please do me a favor by subscribing to this channel. Okay, and don't forget to also click on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. I love the texture of all the four waakye. This one is single grain, and the three are sort of soft and not too single grain, and I love that. Lovelies, our waakye is almost ready, and now you know that without the sorghum leaves, you can use other ways to make your own waakye at home comfortably without stress. Wow, and I hope you've been inspired. I love the flavor of all of the four waakye. The taste is top notch and it's a must try. So I've just covered the rice up for it to cook to perfection. Wow, so now we're on the fifth recipe and I'm using beetroot. Okay, I'm using beetroot. So the beans is already cooking and I'm blending the beetroot to add to the beans. Okay, family, please go nowhere. Stay till the end and be inspired. This is very healthy and a must try recipe. Okay, family, so soon our beetroot is nicely blended and I've added it to the beans. I'm going ahead to stir to mix everything nicely and then I'll add a little amount of water, okay, to my desired level and I'll add my seasoning. I'm going ahead to add shrimp tablet like the first four. You can add any seasoning of your choice, all right? Add salt to taste and mix until the salt is well dissolved. Okay, now I'm going to add my washed rice. We are almost there, so go nowhere. Stay till the end and be inspired. Okay, after adding the rice, you stir gently to mix everything together nicely until well combined. I love the recipe. I love the flavor. Everything about this waakye is top notch. So the waakye is also done. Wow, this is our fifth method, and wow, isn't this healthy? Now add your onion and butter like the first four. Mix everything together nicely. Oh, until well combined. Wow, family, this is a must-try recipe. Wow, I hope you've been inspired. Because I am so touched. So now let's cover the rice up until it's cooked to perfection, okay? I am back and our waakye is so ready and I love the texture. This time around is soft. Ooh, this is soft waakye. We are all done and I'm serving myself by dishing out a ladle of each. Can you see that? A bit of each. And they all look beautiful. Isn't this amazing? You can still make your waakye at home even without the sorghum leaves, thereby using the Kawu, baking soda, beetroot, dark soy sauce, and you'll be good to go. Okay, family, for more of my videos, please follow your girl on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. Thank you all for watching till this point. I'm so grateful. Mwah, kiss. Bye, y'all. Yummy! Delicious!
Hello, lovelies. Can you subscribe to my mom's channel and help her get to 20K subscribers? Thank you.